Hello viewers, I'm Asma and you're watching Virtuoso Palette, your own art channel. Today I'm beginning a new series of paintings that is a continuation of silhouettes. But the topic is meditation, yoga. So let's go to look, watch and observe. But don't forget to comment and share with your friends who are yoga lovers. Viewers, the third painting, as I shared with you in the previous video of Virtuoso Palette, that it will be again on the yoga pose of the Lord of the Dance. I'm applying cyan blue blended with some primary blue and a little white to paint the base of my mini canvas of Virtuoso Palette. Other than these colors, I will use black in this painting and I shall create a few layers here. Because actually Lord of the Dance pose is considered a base pose and its variations can be derived from this pose. Basically, this pose strengthens the back, legs and ankles, boosts concentration and improves balance. Now I have added some black and cyan blue here. And here in this portion I am adding a bit of white and blending, creating more layers. Viewers, the best thing about yoga is that it is more than a powerful way to relax. It really can transform your body. It can develop your muscle tone and build flexibility, leading to a more lean looking physique. Now look, gradually I'm creating more layers, blending the tones. This is the portion actually where I'm going to place the figure in the pose of the Lord of the Dance. I intend to give a splatter of white here. There you go, using my application brush, some splatter. And here comes the lady in the Lord of the Dance pose variation. I'm using black with a tiny amount of primary blue to fill in the stencil. I'm almost done here, filling the stencil, taking off the stencil, and it's time to add some more strokes at the bottom, the ground. And you know what? I shall also add a little grassy effect, and I think for that I should use a fan brush. Here it comes. Viewers, please do give me your feedback on this variation of the pose of the Lord of the Dance. I'll be waiting for your suggestions and your comments. I'm really thankful the way you participate and you give me encouragement. Viewers, I expect that you liked this version of silhouettes too. See you in the next video with another silhouette. Till then, bye.